Good morning, guys. Hope you had a good weekend. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Did you guys set your clocks back? If you didn't, you'll probably be watching all these videos an hour off from what you normally do. I'm currently on time in California, at least. All right, guys, this weekend was crazy. A crazy good weekend for us. I mentioned on Friday that we were sitting at 75 wins for such a long time here, and it was because we were waiting for a little drop back down in the market, and I was like, guys, if that happens, we're probably going to get triggered into a lot of trades. We're in like 5 different trades right now, and we've already won 3 just over the weekend. So the 76 for 76 trade over here, these do have some stop losses that are still moving into the profit, so we're higher profits than this at the moment. But took an exit for 50% for 5.51, and that was over here on VET. And then I'll come down here to 77 for 77. This is over here on Link for 3.69, and I'll just show you guys Link real quick. On Link, we're currently still riding the stop loss up here, so that was really good. So you guys actually locked in another 8% on Link, so great job for everybody in Link over there. And then 78 for 78 wins we also went over the weekend for XRP, which was 6.72%. And XRP at the current moment is up, and you guys are currently sitting up here at 9.58%. Guys, it is all about keeping the buy limit set up. I promise you guys, like, our goal was 80 for 80 wins, and we are 2 wins away from hitting that. It's not the point of just trying to get wins on this channel, but we're actually making decent profits, like close to 10% profit on 2 of these. So it has been a very exciting weekend, a very exciting week ahead. So let's dive in. So Bitcoin, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? Obviously, a lot of the altcoins are going up. We have Ethereum going up. We have Bitcoin going up. So let's go over Bitcoin and talk about this. Okay, we are seeing very clearly down here, and this is why I talk to you guys about this a lot, is the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. So when we get up in these top sections here, I am looking for a price movement back down on Bitcoin. When we see this happen over here where the trend exhaustion is in the top right section, close to the top right section, we need to go back and just simply look, okay, where's the flow of money? So the flow of money is pretty high. That means a lot of people are buying into this. Okay, we have the trend exhaustion very high. I'm looking for a drop here, and great, we ended up getting this drop in the market. Awesome. Come over here, we ended up getting a perfect drop in the market. Like both of these drops right here, guys, would get us very close to triggered into our next buy limit for Bitcoin, by the way. Like, very hopeful. This up here, very high move. This would absolutely get us triggered into our next buy limit for Bitcoin to ride this back up. So I'm watching that to say, okay, that makes sense. Like, with these calls in here, I am looking for this move back down. Now, for a move back down in Bitcoin, I am looking for the break and retest structure of this descending support line, which was the descending resistance on Friday. On Friday's video, what I called is that I believe that we were going to head down further here faster than we were going to move back up. So we kind of got a little bit of both. And then, obviously in this morning and Sunday afternoon, we just started skyrocketing up here. So when we hit that bottom area and we started moving back down here, if you guys can observe the trend exhaustion here, we got down here and we pushed exactly back down into the bottom section here, and that's where we ended up springboarding back up as usual due to these indicators showing us that we had some bull momentum enter back into the market. So I like that. Like, we moved up. That's awesome. What we need to do now is shift over here and watch this possible drop in the market back down because of these 2 indicators. Now, do observe this as well. We have retail traders getting very bullish in here because they see these green candles. They're going to wake up on Monday morning being like, woohoo, I'm up with all my profits. And what we're doing over here to keep you guys really safe, and myself and our win rate and everything, is we are not FOMOing into this. We were patient to get into the drops, and we are taking profits as this price goes up because I do believe we're going to see a correction in Bitcoin this week. I do not think we're going to just keep going straight up over here. There's going to be a higher low formation and maybe a move back up, but let's keep watching this. That's kind of my call on that. Let's now go over the metrics for Bitcoin, and then I'll teach you guys how to get directly into all of our trades so you do not miss another win. Anyone who's ever signed up on our channel has never lost a trade since they've gotten over here. Guys, I'm going to be honest. We are a lot more conservative than other channels, but would you rather work with your hard-earned money and make percentages on it and beat every other, possible return on real estate, the S&P 500? Like, you guys will so far we have crushed real estate. We've crushed the S&P 500. We've beaten every single other investment vehicle in the world. And I'm working with people who have $100,000 to $10 million, and they care about their money. So on this channel, we are not going to be super risky whatsoever. It is very good. Like currently, my portfolio up here, like we're actually doing pretty good. We're currently at 458. I think this might be a little bit lower, but I just want to express to you guys, and I'll go over the metrics. So we're at 458, maybe back down into the 3.9s. Okay, not bad, 439. What I'm doing in here is I'm keeping you guys very safe in here with the buy limits, the indicators, and the metrics. Let's go over that. People work hard for their money. This is a channel where you guys can trade this strategy for literally 10, 20 years, and I believe you're going to be okay. And you'll actually still have money to pull out after 90 days. Okay, Bitcoin metrics in here. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Currently just sitting in the neutral section here. Not a problem at all. That totally makes sense. We're just neutral. Here's what I want you guys to look at down here is the long versus the short trades. This is kind of interesting. The only time we've actually seen this type of, consolidation with actually a little bit of a move up was this over here. We have a consolidation with this, a little bit of move up here, trying to make some higher highs. When the long trades were increasing during this period, this is actually what's happening over here. This is the only correlation I can find. And with this example, we did end up crashing back down. It may not look like a big crash, but that actually is quite a decent crash back down. So if I'm looking at this, I would say that this has a greater majority chance of moving back down in the market than it does moving back up. However, we will be going over the targets for a move up here of where that could go and where it could stall before the end of the video. Okay, looking at long or short trade risk, this basically is sitting in neutral. To me, this means do not enter into any trades right now. I'm not going short. I'm not going long. I'm waiting for the pullback to get entered into the long trade for Bitcoin. And we're just going to be patient. Like, we're so okay. It's so funny. All the clients I coach that are, have hundreds of thousands, like millions of dollars that I coach, they are so patient. I don't mean to be rude by this, but it seems to be like the people who have between like $1,000 to maybe $5,000 where they're putting their money in and they're like, man, I just want to make a ton of money really, really fast. It seems to be they're less patient. I don't know if it's because of this jackpot mentality that you guys are watching these other channels where it's like, oh, we got to make 10x and 100x as fast as possible. It's possible, but I just want to give you guys full heads up. That's not this channel. Like, you guys, there might be another channel that's better for you, is what I want to say. We're going to be very good over here. We're going to try to beat all the Bitcoin ETFs over here in their returns. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to do it safely so you guys actually have money when you retire, or if you trade this for 10 to 20 years, you guys will have money in the end to prove it, okay? Not dump, 50% down in your portfolio and then 30% up and then crazy emotions. No, I'm going to keep myself safe, and in turn, that will do the same for you guys. Okay, let's take a look at this. Well, institutional smart money is looking for more short trades in the market than they are long trades. Clearly over here, when we got the towers over here with long trades, we ended up seeing a nice up move in the market. Like, that was great. We ended up seeing these short trades come out here saying, okay, we were looking for this move back down, and then we started seeing the dip back down here. Great. There's a lot of profits made on that short there. Right now, we are seeing more of an accumulation for short trades than long trades. I side with this at the moment, guys. I do think there's a pullback coming. Okay, support resistance prices, where are we going to head? This is where I want to talk to you guys about. Well, moving back down here, the strongest level of support is at $58,000. Okay, 58, call it 59. Let's just take a quick look at that. 58,059. It's right around these structures right here. Okay, I know we've broken past these, so coming over here and taking a look at where we're going to head now, it's basically 67,000 as a structure high. So 67,000 puts us right here. Now, the overall pattern of Bitcoin right now is very interesting because we do have this, ascending wedge pattern that if you guys are just staring one of the most bearish patterns in the face right here, this is an extremely bearish pattern. It is an ascending wedge. Like, go look up online what happens in an ascending wedge formation. Guys, this thing, like 70-80% of the time, will crash back down, and it usually goes to previous structure supports, which is over here. And this is right around this level of about $52,000, $53,000. I've been like a broken record on this. Like, $53,000 is where I'm watching for this drop back down. Now, a move back up in the market here, I do not think is going to push any higher than the ascending resistance. Now, yes, there's a plenty of money to be made on the way up here, but what we're going to still do on this channel, what I'm going to do, guys, is we're going to be patient for this move back down. We can get triggered into here, and then we're going to ride this back up. Make sure you guys are updating your buy limits, and I'll show you guys how to get there in a second. Let me fly through this, and I'll show you guys. This is coming out showing dollar cost average entry, saying, hey, this is not a bad place to look to get into the market. That was over here before we started heading up. So great job for those of you guys who are doing dollar cost average holds. So diamond hand holders who are holding for 10 to 15 years. Now, could this end up dropping back down? Yes. Could it end up keep going up? Yeah, it actually could. I don't want to be arrogant on this channel and say we couldn't keep going up. What we're going to do is stay patient to buy the dips here, because here's what's going to happen. Let me just run through it really quick. A lot of you guys are going to FOMO into this, thinking it's going to go to the roof. We're going to come back down. You guys will be stuck holding the bag. We'll get into a position. We're going to exit up here. And then if this thing comes back down, you guys will still be holding, and we'll basically be taking a win while you're still holding a loss. I'm saying that because this has already happened before to some of the traders I'm working with, where they're very polite about it. They're like, Travis, I actually ended up coming in and I didn't follow the strategy and I FOMO'd in. You guys already want to trade. I'm holding the bag down 20%. What do I do? I get those emails, and thank you guys for just being honest with yourselves. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to get us into those positions. It's an emotional trap up here is what this is. In my opinion, I think we're going to head back down. We're going to get into our buy entry, maybe by the end of the week here, midweek, write it back up, take some profits. And if this thing comes crashing back down, everyone's going to be in the loss here while we've already taken a win. That is how you successfully trade. You are patient. The big word for this week is patience. Okay, guys? All right, looking over here, and let's get it over to the entries. This is showing you guys possible exits in the market. I'm not expecting this to call the top, but just areas where we could see moves back down. Okay, we are in a golden cross still. Let's get into the fun stuff today. All right, let's get you guys set up for a buy limit so you guys can come over here. And you guys, we've already almost hit 80 for 80. So I'm just going to up this. We're going to try to go for 85 for 85 wins by the end of the month. Okay, this membership is $49. It is the cheapest membership you will find online for the success win rate and our profits. I promise you. We are going to be looking to up this because it is just too low. I'll show you guys the Black Friday sale as well here in a second. Coming over here to the live trades. Once you have your membership, you guys want to click into any of these coins here. These are all the coins that we trade, and these are the ones that we're making all the money on. Every single one of the 78 wins, all were started over here with buy limits. Every single one. There's not another place I call it. I don't call them out on Telegram. They are all right here. Here's what you guys are going to do. Example, Bitcoin. Okay, these are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all the buy limits, if they've been updated. Because currently it says 11.7. It's going to say 11.8 today. All right, if you have $1,000 in the market, guys, you are simply just going to put 25% of that at each buy limit. If you've got 4,000, you can put 25% at each buy limit. So 4,000 would be 1,000 here, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. These are the buy limit prices right here. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're simply just going to set a sell limit up here at the first yellow line above your first buy limit. This cannot get any easier. Like, this is literally the simplest thing. We could have like elementary kids doing this if they could legally do this. It's like buy limit, buy limit, buy limit, buy limit, 25% of your trade entry, and just wait and follow me down in the Telegram channel down here. Log into your Telegram on your computer or your phone first, and then you guys want to come over here, and that will add you guys as a hot link into the actual Telegram channel where I'm giving you guys updates. Like literally just this morning, did this update for link here so you guys could lock in 8% more profits. It's so stinking simple. All right. Put that over here. Black Friday sale. You guys want to know about Black Friday? A lot of you guys have been asking about this. Yes, we have started our Black Friday sale here. It is on the bundle pack of indicators. It will never be lower than this again. I'm just going to say that, guys. It will never be lower than this again. I promise you guys. The indicator bundle pack is 83% off right now. Here's the link to it. I'm going to be upping the price of the indicator bundle pack $50 at the end of this month. Okay, it's actually a very, very good deal you guys can get on here. Now, these indicators down here that I recommend you guys definitely get at minimum is the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the three indicators I use on all the analysis over here when I make calls. You guys can see this over here. Trend dashboard, price versus well money flow. These are very important that you guys have them so you understand the analysis so you can profitably trade over here, as well as look for the drops in the market because I don't think there's other indicators more profitable than this. These are 60% off. You get 83% off all the individual indicators and all of them together with the bundle pack. This is the best deal to get. Make sure you guys get that on your charts. That will be going up at the end of the month, $50. So very, very good deal for you guys. Okay, wrapping it up here. That's all I've got for you guys. I hope you have a good weekend. The point of this whole video in this week, I just feel like I need to just point out to you guys is patience. We're going to be patient in here. You guys are doing great. You guys already won 3 trades over the weekend. I'm in 80A. The account's actually up higher than it's ever been last week. So we're doing really good in the account. So I'm being patient for this pullback in the market, and we're going to get into some buy limits. So make sure your buy limits are set up. That's how we're winning all of our trades. Get into the membership, okay? Membership, set up your buy limits, get the indicators. That's all you guys need. Everything's in the description. I hope you have an amazing, amazing week. I'll come out with more videos today and the rest of the week. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. If you guys email me, please give me some grace because we are over 100 plus emails that we're trying to get back to you from over the weekend. So if you email me, give me some grace today. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But God bless you guys. We're doing amazing, amazing here. Congrats on going 78 for 78 wins here. Let's see if we can go for 80 for 80 by the end of the week. All right, guys, get your membership, get the indicators before they go up in price, and come over here, join us, and let's make some money. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.